To the story now of over 40 Clarendon-based teachers who have been left inconvenienced due to the follow-up by their school's leadership. The case is one of the latest examples of the struggles of the education system in operating online. We have more in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
When schools closed in March, it forced educators and students online for teaching and learning. But the transition has been far from smooth. The issues range from no access to internet, slow internet, or no gadgets. Among the latest victims were over 40 teachers from the Central High School in Clarendon. Carlington Graham is the grade supervisor for grade 10 at the school.
From March, we have asked the acting principal at Central High School for assistance in purchasing data so that we can be online teaching our students. We realized that yesterday, which was May 26 and today 27, when I woke up and other teachers woke up, their phone was, the SIM card was disabled, and we cannot get to make any call out or in. When I check with Flow, realized that we were listed under a program that Central High School has, a postpaid program, and that has caused our phones to be disabled. It is our personal phone.
We watched as he tried unsuccessfully to make calls from his phone. Only WhatsApp worked. The teachers say the follow-up has cost them money and time. The school has subsequently apologized and promised corrective action. But for the teachers, the situation is another reminder of the shortcomings in the sector during the COVID-19 crisis. They feel the Ministry of Education should have been more proactive.
The phone that we have can hold so much information and no more. Now, a tablet or a personal laptop, a laptop from the school or from the ministry, uploaded with the information or with data, would have assist both teachers and students. We have over 2,000 students, and at this present moment, not 50% of those students are not online.
He hopes his suggestions will be considered and implemented by the Ministry of Education for the partial reopening of schools in 2 weeks for upper school students. These high school seniors are to be part of a fast-tracked program to prepare for CXC and CAPE exams.
Most of our students come from rural areas, and they don't have any access to Wi-Fi or to any data plan. They don't have the cash for the data plan. So therefore, what the minister should have done is to ask CXC to push back the examination to September so that we can at least use some of the summer break as well to try to reach out to our students.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.